Only 9 days till spring. What are we doing? Let's plant. Onions, garlic, our peas are starting to grab hold of the trellis. Cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, the arugula we planted this winter. Our beets, our Swiss chard, our cilantro. This is awesome. We got so much to plant. Yes, here in northeastern Oklahoma, it is only 9 days till spring. The forecast shows maybe some frost tonight or tomorrow night, then we should be good. But after 30 years, we've had some of our heaviest snow the last week of March. So I'm not quite going to take the gloves off yet and get planting as much as I'd like to. I thought you said this was a weed-free garden. Well, this isn't a weed. This is an edible plant. Wow. Unless you've had the sweetness of that first pollen off of a first dandelion, you don't know what spring is. Every Saturday for the last 4 years, I've been coming to you and checking out your garden. That's what this is all about. Us growing together, us learning, us getting ideas, motivation, and inspiration from each other. We got a friend of this channel, Art. He's moved this year, and he's going to start all over again with the deep mulch. He's got a nice raised bed. His wife told him to get the plants out of the house or he'd have to go. Well, he got himself a little greenhouse. Art, this looks great, and we look forward to seeing how your garden grows this year. All these leaves that we bagged up, used as cold frames, got through the winter with, I've got them piled up here and there in the garden. I'm gonna wait till I'm sure we're done with the frost before I dump them out, but we're just gonna add them to the mulch. I'm not quite ready to start planting like I want to. Although tomorrow, we'll probably be out here planting a few more things. Being in northeastern Oklahoma, right here in Zone 7, we have got pretty good weather for our spinach. But let's check out Zone 8 and see what their spinach looks like. Mike, Linda, this is incredible. Your spinach bed is awesome. You even have potatoes up. Mine haven't started breaking the surface yet, but you're about a month ahead of me. This looks awesome. Folks, this is what we get to look forward to. And if you'd like to help motivate others to grow and show what's possible, just email me at waylandsmalley5@gmail.com. The address is in the description box below. Surely you knew I was going to get to our container gardening. And for the folks that have never grown anything, this is our chance to grow together. In a small container with a little soil and a couple seeds, you can eat all summer long. And if you have a sunny windowsill, this is what you're going to get. I just brought these out to show you how well they're doing. You can do this too, and I invite you to come along and plant with me. Our bok choys that we planted in these seed trays that we haven't up-potted are doing really well. They didn't get leggy, and we have some more lettuce over here. So I'm pretty excited. As soon as the weather breaks, they're going out into the garden. Spring is just 9 days away. Can you believe it? You are invited to share your garden. I guarantee you all other gardeners would love to see what you're doing in your garden. You can do this too. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you.